These 3 Unit 4.4 videos will teach us how to obtain three-dimensional objects and the breaks for our digital model using another source of information without MDT points, as in this case. We are conducting our practical example using an old file, and as we have already seen, it is in 2D with no elevations. Let us remove the elements we are not going to use. We use a set of MDT, Utilities, Elevation of Entities tools to elevate these objects with no elevation. The different options are featured in the command line, or if we wish to work more conveniently, we can use the toolbar on the left-hand side. To release it, click on any MDT icon and look for Elevation of Entities. Let us begin at the end, with the options enabling us to alter the color once the height has been changed, which is highly useful when we are working with a variety of objects and want to monitor what we are doing, and we have the option of discretizing the data. Discretizing simply means we are going to increase the number of single points in a specific polyline. In this case, we have 2 meters, which is sufficient precision and resolution for this work. We then return to Options and insert 2 meters to ensure there is no change. Fine. Let us move on to the Zero Height command. This command will take us back or revert to zero height. For example, if we go to the second command, Constant Height, we can enter the height that is of no interest. For example, in this case, 442. We click on the object and it is raised. However, we have made a mistake as it should be 440. So we then correct the height, or to return to zero height by clicking on the 2 contours we have raised to see the properties of the same, whereby the elements are returned to zero height. Let us go to the initial status of the objects and the initial layer color in order to look at the third option or command, consisting of raising an entity using its ends. For example, if we focus on the right-hand side of the screen in order to see the road or highway, if we know the start and end height, we can raise the polyline. For example, we are going to assign 356 as the start height and 329 as the end height, already executed by MDT, and we are going to check what has been conducted in several different vertices using our CAD software Properties command. Another alternative would be to use the Variables command, similar to the previous command, but where we would need to insert the height point by point. In the event of a polyline with a large number of vertices, this procedure would be highly time-consuming, and as such, we have another series of more effective commands or tools.